In the genesis of Murillo 1665's genetic blueprint lies its execution. The conundrum faced by this venture was orchestrating the placement of 5 duplex residences, each spanning 200 square meters, within a plot, while minimizing disruption to the pre-existing wooded surroundings. The primary aim was to amplify its accord with nature. A paramount focus in this undertaking was the preservation of venerable trees in close proximity to each dwelling. Through meticulous analysis of fluidity and natural illumination, the architects deduced that achieving their goal necessitated a meticulously positioned cross-shaped blueprint on the terrain. This approach birthed an intriguing cadence, endowing each identical house with a distinctive allure from every vantage point. The adoption of shed-style roofing and the accentuation of ethically conscientious alfresco living with cultivated gardens stemmed from an expedition to Carrasco. There, the architects discerned a robust architectural identity, forged in the early 20th century, characterized by its unadorned elegance and spirit. The alternating facade, composed of wooden panels and corrugated sheets, manifests a visual allure derived from a judicious selection of materials: corrugated charcoal gray sheets, wood, white plaster, glass, and indigenous flora. The ground level hosts the living and dining areas, enveloped by an external wooden paneled structure housing the kitchen and laundry. Majestic trees serve as a calming barrier for an outdoor patio designed for gatherings, with the barbecue grill as the centerpiece. The patio flooring incorporates repurposed stones from the former dwelling, underscoring the firm's commitment to conscientious and sustainable design. Adjacent to the central structure containing the powder room and stairs leading to the upper floor, the TV room resides. On the second floor, 3 full suites are interconnected by a mezzanine-style family room. A double-height glass panel wall exposes the abundant outdoor greenery, ensuring cross-ventilation and keeping the indoor air crisp and well-circulated. To address thermal insulation concerns, the architects implemented double glass panels with solar protection, strategically leaving a gap between the facade, either wood or corrugated sheeting, and the steel frame. Murillo 1665 stands as a contemplative outcome of a continual collaboration between Uruguayan architect Santiago Fernandez and Brazilian architect Candida Tabet.